In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Asana in 2025. This tutorial will guide you through each step to streamline your workflow efficiently by integrating these two powerful platforms. If you're ready, grab your coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Once there, you'll see a variety of options on your main screen. Now what you're looking for is the sidebar on the right-hand side. This sidebar is a gateway to many add-ons that can enhance your Gmail experience. You'll notice a little plus icon there. Click on this plus icon to bring up the Get Add-ons search field. In the search field, you'll want to type in Asana for Gmail. This search will present you with a way to bring the power of Asana right into your email workflow. Once you've found the Asana for Gmail add-on, click on Install. At this point, you'll be prompted to follow a series of installation instructions and permissions. Just follow these steps as instructed on your screen. Typically, this involves clicking an authorized button or two, but don't worry, it's a standard security procedure to ensure everything is connected correctly and securely. Once you have completed the installation, let's look at putting this integration to work. Open up one of your emails, ideally one that you want to track or link to a task. With the email open, you'll now see a brand new icon in your sidebar. A small Asana logo. Click on this Asana logo, and this is where the real magic happens. It will prompt you to log into your Asana account. If you don't already have an account, you might want to sign up for one before starting this process. Now that you've clicked on the Asana icon and logged in, you'll be asked to allow permissions for Asana to access Gmail. Follow the prompts, and once everything is properly set up, you'll be able to swiftly convert email discussions into actionable tasks within Asana without leaving your Gmail inbox. This integration is not only about convenience, but also about enhancing productivity by reducing the barriers between different platforms. With a simple click, emails become tasks, deadlines get set, and your projects stay organized and on track without missing a beat. And there you have it, the seamless connection between Gmail and Asana, providing you with a more synchronized way to manage your to-dos. Let this powerful integration boost your productivity in the dynamic world of work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and let's stay productive together.